Today, we're diving right in and talking about stress. Stress can range on many different levels, but if ignored, can have some serious impacts on your health. On the other end, if we can identify and work through our stress, we can see some major benefits and really operate at our best. So first, let's talk about the different ranges of stress. We can be exposed to things that increase our stress, such as someone running through a red light or just running late for work. This can trigger our fight or flight response in our body, which is why we feel a rush of adrenaline, a higher heart rate, and even nervousness. We can also experience chronic stress, such as a strained relationship with a loved one, working in a high demand job, financial stress, etc. Over time, if not managed properly, chronic stress can wear you down and can have an impact socially, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Some side effects of chronic stress can include irritability, trouble sleeping, chronic pain, heartburn, stomach issues, not seeing progress in your workouts, fatigue, getting sick frequently, inability to lose weight despite making changes. This is just the tip of the iceberg, so it's important to identify your stressors and start taking control of them. Here's what you can do about it. When improving our stress levels, we can either add or remove things in our environment to help us thrive. First, pay attention to hidden stressors in your everyday life and focus on ways to improve your environment. Some examples could be following negative social media or following people who don't support your growth, high caffeine or alcohol intake, obsessive news consumption, unhappy relationships, and comparing yourself to others. Think about the environment around you and ask yourself this question. If I were able to reduce the frequency of these, would it improve my overall well-being and stress level? If the answer is yes, it's time to reevaluate your everyday environment. Second, understanding what coping strategies work for you is key. So log your stress. Write down the things that add to your stress or the things that make you feel good. If you're looking to add things into your routine, it might look like adding some movement to your day, getting good food, better sleep, and a managed calendar. For some, going for a walk or meditating may improve stress, while for others it may be overwhelming. Finding a strong social network that can be there to support you, whether it is a group of friends or a close loved one or even a pet, is great too. If you're looking to remove things in your environment, it might look like setting boundaries, taking on less with your work schedule, or maybe doing a grocery pickup instead of spending that time at the store. Once you decide on what you want to change, pick one thing to try and try this for 2 weeks and see how you feel. So here's our action step. Track your stress levels. Choose one thing that you'd like to change for the next 2 weeks. Write down your mood, write down your heart rate, your energy level each day. On day 14, evaluate how the change is working. Change takes time, so practice to a less stressed and healthier you.